Monarch Budgeting App Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? Most people get budgeting wrong. They rely on outdated spreadsheets, impulse spending, or apps that are too complicated to stick with. The surprising truth is that in 2025, Monarch has emerged as a top contender in personal finance apps, combining automation, clarity, and actionable insights into one platform. Today, I'll take you through a full review of a Monarch Budgeting app in 2025, covering features, usability, pricing, pros and cons, real-life examples, and whether it's really worth it. Let's dive in. First, what is Monarch? Monarch is a modern budgeting and personal finance app designed to give users complete control over their money. Unlike traditional budgeting tools that just track transactions, Monarch offers *** cash flow forecasting, bill tracking, net worth monitoring, and subscription management ***, all in one intuitive interface. Whether you're a beginner trying to understand where your money goes or a seasoned planner managing multiple accounts, Monarch aims to simplify your financial life. Getting started with Monarch is straightforward. You can sign up using your email, link your bank account securely through Plaid or other integrations, and the app automatically imports transactions, balances, and bills. This automation saves hours of manual entry, which is a major advantage over older budgeting methods. One of the most powerful features is ** budget creation ***. Monarch uses a flexible approach, letting you set budgets by category such as groceries, entertainment, utilities, or dining out, or create custom categories for your unique spending patterns. You can also set goals, like saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund. For example, if your monthly income is $4,500, Monarch can help you allocate $1,500 for bills, $1,000 for savings, and $2,000 for discretionary spending, adjusting in real time as transactions occur. Another standout feature is ** cash flow forecasting ***. Most people don't realize how much upcoming bills, subscriptions, and irregular income affect their finances. Monarch predicts your cash flow weeks or months in advance, showing whether you might run short before your next paycheck. For instance, if you have a $2,000 rent payment, $500 in subscriptions, and an irregular freelance income, Monarch will calculate the safe spending limit and highlight potential shortfalls. This proactive approach prevents overdrafts and late fees, which is something many users underestimate. Monarch also shines in ** net worth tracking ***. It aggregates your assets, bank accounts, investments, crypto, retirement funds, and subtracts liabilities like loans or credit card debt. This gives a holistic picture of your financial health. For example, if you have $50,000 in savings, $10,000 in investments, and $20,000 in credit card debt, Monarch calculates your net worth at $40,000 and tracks it over time, helping you measure progress toward long-term goals. Subscription management is another valuable tool. Monarch automatically detects recurring payments, like Netflix, Spotify, or gym memberships. You can cancel unused subscriptions directly through the app or receive alerts for upcoming payments. Many people waste hundreds annually on forgotten subscriptions, and Monarch helps recover that money efficiently. One of the biggest advantages of Monarch in 2025 is its ** automation and intelligence ***. The app categorizes transactions automatically, flags unusual spending, and provides insights like you spent 20% more on dining out this month than last month, or your grocery spending is 15% below your budget. Consider reallocating to savings. This proactive guidance is something older budgeting apps rarely offer. Now let's talk about ** usability ***. Monarch's interface is clean, intuitive, and mobile-first. You can view your dashboard at a glance, showing income, expenses, savings, and upcoming bills. Graphs and charts make it easy to understand trends without getting overwhelmed by numbers. The mobile app mirrors the desktop version, so whether you're at home or on the go, you can track spending and adjust budgets in real time. ** pricing ** is a key consideration. As of 2025, Monarch offers a free trial period for new users, after which a subscription plan is required. The premium plan costs around $10 per month or $100 annually. Considering the automation, forecasting, Net worth tracking and subscription management features. Many users find this a reasonable investment compared to the cost of financial mistakes or time spent managing money manually. Let's break down the pros and cons pros: automated transaction tracking and categorization, comprehensive budgeting, savings goals and cash flow forecasting, net worth tracking and progress visualization, subscription management with alerts and cancellation options, user-friendly interface with clear graphs and insights, mobile and desktop synchronization, personalized spending insights and recommendations. Cons: requires a subscription after the free trial. Some advanced features may be overwhelming for complete beginners. Limited support for international bank integrations in certain regions. No in-app investment trading, tracking only. Here's a real-life example. Jennifer earns $5,000 monthly and struggles to save while managing rent, groceries, and student loans. Using Monarch, she links her accounts and sets a savings goal of $1,000 per month. The app forecasts cash flow, alerts her to a pending $600 utility bill, and suggests adjusting discretionary spending. After 2 months, she has saved $2,000 without feeling restricted, demonstrating the power of structured, intelligent budgeting. Another example involves debt repayment. Alex owes $12,000 on credit cards. He sets up a debt payoff plan in Monarch, which calculates monthly payments to eliminate the debt in 18 months. Monarch tracks progress, adjusts recommendations if he overspends, and shows interest savings. Within a year, Alex is ahead of schedule, and his motivation remains high because he can see tangible progress. A common question is Monarch better than free budgeting apps? The answer depends on your goals. Free apps may track spending, but they often lack forecasting, net worth insights, and intelligent recommendations. Monarch's premium plan consolidates all these features, reducing the risk of overspending and missed opportunities for saving or debt repayment. Security is also crucial. Monarch uses bank-level encryption and secure connections through trusted services like Plaid. This ensures that account information is protected and read-only connections prevent unauthorized transactions. Users can also enable two-factor authentication for added security. In terms of customer support Monarch offers email, chat, and knowledge-based support. The app provides tutorials and articles for budgeting best practices, maximizing features, and troubleshooting common issues. For many users, this support enhances confidence and helps them adopt the app effectively. Monarch also caters to different financial styles For example, if you're a freelancer with irregular income, the app can adjust cash flow projections dynamically. If you prefer strict budgeting, it allows envelope-style allocations to ensure each category stays within limits. For growth-minded users, Monarch highlights opportunities to increase savings or optimize spending without being intrusive. Let's consider integration with other tools. Monarch connects with major banks, investment accounts, and credit cards. It can also export data for tax purposes or personal analysis. This interoperability is valuable for users who maintain multiple financial accounts or need consolidated reports for financial planning. Finally, is Monarch worth it in 2025? Here's the bottom line. If you want automated, intelligent, and comprehensive budgeting with net worth tracking and proactive insights, Monarch is one of the best apps available. The subscription cost is modest compared to the value of accurate forecasting, debt management, and financial clarity. Beginners who prefer simplicity can start with a free trial and explore features gradually, while advanced users benefit from deep analysis and customization. In conclusion, Monarch in 2025 provides powerful, user-friendly, and insightful solution for personal finance management. Its combination of automation, cash flow forecasting, net worth monitoring, and subscription management makes it a standout tool in a crowded market. Most people underestimate how much clarity and control over finances can reduce stress, prevent mistakes, and accelerate savings or debt repayment, and Monarch delivers exactly that. That's it for today's review. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with your questions or experiences using Monarch in 2025. Taking control of your money has never been easier, and with the right tools, you can reach your financial goals faster and smarter.